In this video, I will review how to run a script against machines made by the same manufacturer. Running scripts against machines made by the same manufacturer is useful so that I can address common vendor issues in a scalable manner. In this example, because there is no way within the script editor to act only upon computers made by a specific manufacturer, I will create a dynamic group containing computers made by that same manufacturer, then schedule a script to run on members of said group. To begin, I navigate to Computers, Device Groups in the left navigation. I click Add Dynamic Group. In the group name field, I type Manufactured by HP. I enter a description for the group. Next, I click Add Criteria in the Criteria area on the right. I click on the Select Criteria icon to view a searchable, sortable list of available criteria. I scroll down and select System Product, the description of which tells me that this criterion contains the name of the computer manufacturer. I click Add Criteria in the lower right to add this criterion. I then click Save to save this dynamic group. With the dynamic group created, it is now time to create a script that I want to run against members of said group. For the purposes of this demonstration, I will install a manufacturer's utility software on the computers. In the left navigation, I select Automation, Tasks. To begin creating my new script, I click Add Script Editor. I enter the name of the script, give it a description, then select the appropriate category. I navigate to the Script Editor tab and type Application in the Function Search field. I select Create Own Application Updated from the list of available application functions. I leave Installer set as the type of installer at the top, as I want this function to install the manufacturer's utility application. In the Download Details section, I select HTTPS in the location dropdown. I enter the URL in the HTTPS field. In the Application Details section, I select MSI package. In the Package EXE name field, I enter the name of the MSI package. Any applicable values can be entered in the installation parameter and MD5 checksum fields. I leave the execute mode set to install. I check the Perform Pre-Check checkbox. I leave the type dropdown set to Check if file exists. In the File Name field, I enter the name of the executable for the manufacturer's utility software. In the Action dropdown, I select If file exists, then abort, as I do not want the function to attempt to install the application if the executable is already present on the device. I check the Perform Post-Check checkbox. In the Type dropdown, I leave Check if file exists selected. In the File Name field, I enter the name of the executable for this manufacturer's utility software. In the Action dropdown, I select If the file exists, then mark Success. I click Save to save this function. I select the newly created script from the list of tasks and click Schedule on the right. I schedule the script to run at the desired time. I select Daily for the recurrence and have it run for a month and click OK. I then select the dynamic group that I created earlier, and select Run in the top left. I have reviewed how to run a script against machines made by the same manufacturer. For more information, please click Resources, Documentation on any RMM screen to access documentation.